All right, let's talk about it. Your PC is feeling, well, old. It's slow, maybe you've got some weird virus-like issues, and you're just ready to wipe the slate clean with a fresh install of Windows. But then you realize you don't have a bootable USB drive lying around. Guess what? You don't have one. We're going to go over exactly how to give your computer a total fresh start using only the tools you already have.
Does any of this sound familiar? You want that snappy, like new feeling back, but you're missing what feels like the most critical piece of the puzzle. Well, you are in exactly the right place. We are going to completely bypass the need for any flash drives or external hard drives and get your machine running like it's brand new. Let's dive in.
But wait, before we click a single button, we have to talk about the most important, absolutely critical part of this whole process. Think of this as our big, flashing red warning sign. You have to do these next steps to avoid a potential disaster.
This right here is your non-negotiable pre-flight checklist. Seriously, first, back up everything. Your documents, your photos, your game saves, all of it. A reinstall is going to wipe that drive clean, so your files need to be safe somewhere else. Second, find your Windows product key. Or even easier, just make sure it's linked to your Microsoft account. That makes reactivating a breeze. And finally, if you're on a laptop, plug it into the wall. Trust me, the last thing you want is for it to die halfway through the installation. That turns a simple fix into a massive headache.
Okay, with our safety checks out of the way, let's get into the first method. This is the simplest, most straightforward option because, well, it's already built right into Windows.
It's called a local reinstall, and you can just think of it as a factory reset button for your PC. It's pretty cool, actually. It doesn't need an internet connection or any disks because your computer has a little hidden stash of recovery files on the hard drive, just waiting for a moment like this.
And getting to it is super easy. Just pop open your settings, head over to System, then Recovery, and you'll see a button that says Reset PC. Now, this is where you have an important choice. You can pick Keep My Files, which is kind of like a refresh. It reinstalls Windows but leaves your personal stuff alone. Or you can choose Remove Everything, and that's the true clean slate. It wipes it all and gives you that day one fresh start.
Now, what if those local files on your machine are corrupted? Or maybe you just want to be sure you're getting the absolute latest, cleanest version of Windows. Well, for that, we have a more modern option, the cloud download.
So what's the big difference? It's all about where the installation files come from. The local reinstall, as we said, uses the files already on your computer, and it works totally offline. The cloud download, on the other hand, reaches out over the internet and pulls a brand new, squeaky clean copy of Windows directly from Microsoft. It's the perfect choice if you think your system files are messed up, or if you just want to skip all the updates and go straight to the latest version.
Just a heads up though, cloud download means, well, a download. And it's a pretty big one. You'll be pulling down roughly 4 gigabytes of data, so you'll definitely want to be on a stable internet connection, preferably one that doesn't have a stingy data cap.
And really, this is why it's often the better choice. For a truly clean and up-to-date install, the cloud download is hands down the most reliable built-in method you can use. You're guaranteeing that you're not just reinstalling the same old broken files that might have been causing problems in the first place.
Okay, but what if things are really bad? What if you can't even get into the Windows settings menu to start a reset? Or what if you just want total control over the whole process? Well, that's when we pull out the expert method.
Now, to get this method, you first need to know what an ISO file is. It sounds really technical, but I promise it's simple. Imagine taking an entire Windows installation DVD or USB drive, all the files, all the folders, and squishing it down into a single, neat file. That's an ISO file. It's a perfect digital copy of an installation disk.
So here's the game plan, and it's pretty clever. First, you'll go to Microsoft's website and download their media creation tool. You run that tool and tell it to create an ISO file, saving it right onto your computer. Then, and this is the cool part, you mount it. That basically tricks your computer into thinking you just plugged in a virtual DVD or USB drive. From there, you just open that new virtual drive, run the setup program, and you can perform a full, clean installation of Windows right on top of your old one.
So, let's step back and put this all together. You now officially have a complete reinstall toolkit, 3 different methods, and not a single one of them requires a USB drive.
Choosing your method is pretty easy when you break it down like this. Got some minor glitches and just want a quick refresh? Go for the local reset. Think you might have corrupted files, or you just want the latest and greatest version of Windows right away? The cloud download is your best bet. And if nothing else works, or you're an expert who wants full control, the partition and ISO method is your powerful fallback plan.
And there you have it.
From a simple built-in refresh to a full manual installation, you are now completely equipped to handle a Windows reinstall and give your PC that amazing fresh start feeling it's been waiting for.
So now, the only question left is, with all this knowledge, which path are you going to choose for your PC's new beginning?